Hello guys, today we're playing The Flowers. There's already a hideous creature over there. I don't know how loud it is. Oh! I don't like that. I really don't. Okay, 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 this game is called The Flowers. If you don't know, it's basically where you get chased from that thing. I'm calling him Little Bob. Ah! Okay! He's not even doing anything. What do you mean behind him? He's not... Ah! What the fuck? Okay. That's unreasonable. Okay. Oh, I don't like this anymore. Did he just kill... What? I don't understand. Okay. He's here. Yeah, I know. Oh, God. Okay, it's the sound effects that scares me. Bro, what do I do? What do I do, bro? I don't understand the point of this game. Saw it on TikTok. Saw it on my TikTok. It says behind me. Oh, there's another person. Okay, maybe they know what they're doing. What the... Okay. Monetoya was oof. What the fuck? Okay, this is interesting. This is a rather interesting game. I don't know if we're supposed to be getting chased yet or not, but... No! Nothing. Oh god. How are y'all getting killed already? Where is he? Okay. Oh god. Over here? Oh. Okay, I guess he's over here. What the fuck? Floating bridges. Oh my god. Where is he? He's like absolutely nowhere. Are they over here? Because I see someone moving. Oh god, the lag. Okay, we're a little bit close. I don't ah! Get away from me! Oh, he's right there. I don't understand. What is this? Oh, ow. Hey, get off me! Do I just irritate him until he comes or something? What is going on? I legitimately don't understand. This is some like game knockoff. Well, this is interesting. Oh hell no! Get off of me, bitch! Get the fuck off me! Get off! Now, I don't understand the point of this game. Thank you. Oh, I need a mech kit. Is that the thing that's chasing us? Okay, y'all are just placing blocks around. These don't do anything. I am honestly confused. Honestly. The fuck you looking at? Okay. Well, people are not speaking English in here. That's just switch here. Oh, fuck you! I don't understand, bro. Okay. I tell you the thing. Where did he go? Did he just fucking vanish? Okay, yeah, I know he's here. But where is he? Am I supposed to piss him off so he can come and chase me or some shit? Is that like the point of the game? What are you doing, fella? Oh. I can tell you, this hurts the shit out of my ears. There you guys are. 2-time! Oh, and he's gone. I hear Gubby. This door. Oh, it's a door. Oh, is this the guy that's chasing us? Because if anything, oh. Bro's head became a rolly ball. I don't understand the point of this game. Where is the tall guy that fucking chases you or some shit? Alright, come here. We have to hit him, do we? I don't have anything to hit him with. I'm gonna just build that. Are we supposed to kill that thing? Because if so, I need a weapon so I could. Hey! Get off of me! Oh no! It's coming over! Okay, I need to go. reset so I can get out of this house. But the thing is, what the fuck? Fucker. What the fuck? Okay. What are you supposed to do? And where is the guy that smashes you and your mother? I don't know, man. No one's behind me, bud. Can't do that. Shit. Someone already died. But what are we supposed to do? After everything's like breaking in pieces, there's a random tree over here. Oh, it's a flower. Something happened! What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Oh, I can't run! What is that? I just touched a fucking flower and it sent me to hell! What happens if I walk towards it? What the fuck? I don't think that was supposed to happen. I don't think that was supposed to happen, sir. Are you backing away from me, you fuck? What the hell? This is interesting. I'm walking towards it. I don't know if it does anything. Jesus Christ, you're like the boiled one, dude. Trying to... What the fuck? It stopped me from moving! Oh! What was that? All I did was touch a flower. And it spawned me. And it legit just spawned me. Well, now we know we can't touch the flower. Okay, now I don't understand. Are we supposed to piss off the thing or kill the guys? What's over here? Type / emote 1. I don't understand, and I'm not gonna question any longer. I think we're supposed to kill the guy, but I don't got anything to kill him with. I think we're supposed to just fucking flash him. Oh god. Flash! Get him, Miku! Get him! Hey! Get off! No! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get away from me! Get him, Miku! Get him! Beat his ass! Get him! Okay, this is me, you fuck! This is why your mother doesn't love you! Oh, it's still happening. Get away from me! Why are you out? Is it because I was cheering Miko on to beat your fucking ass? Get away! Get away from me! Where did he go? Okay. It's like glitching. Am I supposed to kill it? Oh, ow! Ow! No! No! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! I'ma just do that. Yeah! Get into it! Get into it, bud! Get into it! Get into it! I need to desperately heal myself, so I'm just gonna waste this. There we go. Now I don't have... Oh my god. Are we supposed to look for the guy? Because what I saw, the tall thing chases you. Oh, yeah, I know. Well, I don't hear anything. Oh, it's over there! It's a tall fucker! Come here! Come here, bro! Come here, bro! You ain't running away from me! Flash! Flash! Duh! I think I made him upset. I don't know what that done, but all I did was run up to him and he screamed. I guess you're supposed to survive, but like, when are you going to, get chased from this one guy, from what I saw? I don't understand. All I'm doing is just wandering and fucking around like I'm lost in Alice in Wonderland. Guess I have to like casually find him. Oh, holy shit! When I heard it, I legit thought my phone was my laptop was levitating, bro. Okay, there's a camp here, and there is this. Oh, that says filtered water. It's nothing special. Okay, one of y'all need to stop fucking dying, because like, that thing is scaring me. Oh, holy shit. Okay, I have to keep looking for this guy, I guess. But, what am I supposed to do? Oh. I'm walking out of here, man. What the fuck? Did that thing just... Okay, I'm lost. Can someone please tell me what I'm supposed to do? Survive? When is the guy going to fucking chase you then? Oh. I guess I'm lonely. You can kill him this way, actually. Alright, do it. Kill him! Kill him, Miku! Kill him! Kill his little possessed stat. Are you trapping us in here, bro? Kill him! Kill him! Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. I think. Bro, don't trap us in there, you idiot! Oh, he's not dying. He's... But how am I supposed to pull out my weapon? I don't have anything in here. Yeah, girl, here. I think you're supposed to kill the guy and then piss off. Come on, girl. Kill it. Oh, he's refusing to die, is he? Touch you, little brat. Oh, I forgot it does that. I'm going back over there. Is there another one we have to kill? Oh, what the hell? Okay. But... okay, there's another thing over here. I know it's here! The guy's running, but is it it's going after somebody. I think we need to kill that one too. Kill it! I don't got no weapon, so I can't do shit! Honestly, I don't know what to do. And how to get the fucking tall black thing to be pissed off with you. Where is the flower thing, is my question. Because I just simply touched it. Then it spawned me. I am not doing that shit. Ah, you can't make me. You can't make me. You can't make me. Is it over here? No. Is it... what's this? What's that? Let me talk to you. Hi. It's a ball friend. I just simply rolled it and he's just rolling. Oh wait, the guy's over there. The guy's over there, let me get him. Come here, bro. Come here, little bro, you ain't slick hiding away from me, fam. Nope, come here. Come here, bro. Oh. Ah! Oh, what the fuck? Let me touch! Okay. All you do is survive, like nothing scary is happening. Hey! No! No! music's killing my ears. Okay, it's like pitch black. Fucking Sonic? Is that supposed to happen? Like turning dark? Bro, what do we do? You know, I'm gonna just end it. Whoa. I think I liked it. But I'll figure something out. But y'all have a good day. And I hope you enjoy this rather nice video. It's probably short, but that's because like nothing interesting's happening. So I hope y'all have a good day. And see you later. Bye.